Hello, it's a quiet, mild Sunday afternoon for much of the UK. Quite a lot of cloud around. If we look at the earlier satellite picture, you can see what I mean. But look closely, and there are a few chinks in that cloud, particularly through parts of northern England, East Wales, southwest England. But this thicker zone of cloud draped across the north and west of the UK is pushing outbreaks of rain into northern and western Scotland and later into Northern Ireland as well. Elsewhere, it should stay mainly dry. Still some breaks in that cloud. Light winds for England and Wales, but something a little brisker across the northwest of Scotland and the Northern Isles. 11 to 13 Celsius, maybe 14 or 15 in places, the top temperature this afternoon. Now overnight, that band of rain continues to move across Scotland, Northern Ireland, later in the night perhaps into northern England. Could see some drizzle too across parts of Wales and southwest England. Across parts of central, southern, southeast England, we could see some breaks in that cloud, allowing temperatures to drop to 5 or 6 Celsius. Where we've got the cloud more like 7 to 10 Celsius. And for the week ahead, for most it's going to stay mild both by day and by night. There will be some rain in the forecast, particularly across northern Scotland. Tomorrow, we've still got this front to deal with. Now, it's running into an area of high pressure, so the rain is tending to fizzle out. But through the morning, some outbreaks of rain across parts of southern Scotland, northern England, bit of patchy rain perhaps into parts of Wales and maybe the far southwest of England. Behind this, much brighter skies across Scotland and Northern Ireland with some sunshine. Ahead of this, though, a lot of cloud and perhaps some lingering fog through the morning, but 11 to 13 Celsius, the top temperature. And then through tomorrow evening, some of that cloud may just begin to lower once again. Through parts of the Midlands and Wales could bring some patchy drizzle. But then once again, we look to the north and the west for some more persistent rain arriving into Scotland and Northern Ireland on Tuesday. Notice the squeeze in the isobars. So with that rain will also be some stronger winds too, and some persistent rain pushing into Northern Ireland, northern and western Scotland, sliding its way eastwards. Could see some patchy rain into the far north of England on Tuesday, but elsewhere for England and Wales should again be mainly dry. Some breaks in the cloud of some mist and fog through the morning, 11 to 13 Celsius, the top temperature. So it's a similar pattern really as we head into Wednesday. That frontal system slides its way into high pressure and fizzles out, and what we see behind it is briefly some slightly cooler air arriving through Wednesday, especially across Scotland and the far north of England. Now, some showers through Wednesday morning, which could be wintry over the highest ground of Scotland, will tend to fade away. Some cloud across the northwest of England into Wales and southwest England, maybe 1 or 2 showers. Once those showers are cleared away from Scotland on Wednesday, most should be dry, some spells of sunshine, but notice the temperatures down to around 8 or 9 Celsius across Scotland for midweek. High pressure to the south of the UK on as we head into Thursday, low pressure to the north. So once again, likely to see some outbreaks of rain across northern Scotland, a few showers further south across Scotland, but elsewhere for Northern Ireland, England and Wales on Thursday, mainly dry, often cloudy, some bright or sunny spells, and temperatures generally in the range of 10 to 13 Celsius, but still high single figures across the far north of Scotland, where again we'll see some outbreaks of rain for a time on Friday. Elsewhere across the UK, it should be mainly dry. Fair bit of cloud, some bright or sunny spells, but temperatures by the end of the week starting to perk up. So 14 or 15 Celsius across England and Wales, 12 or 13 for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Then into the weekend, looks like we'll see another frontal system, but this time it will move its way across the UK. So some outbreaks of rain for most on Saturday, cooler, colder if not that, and some sunshine on Sunday.